Greetings to all my friends far and wide. I am currently in lovely Arkansas, and I can say lovely considering I'm here at a nicer time of year than in the blistering hot summer. I'm here visiting my mom, and it's nice. I mean, well, like I said, it's not blistering hot. Normally I get cranky along the way because it keeps getting hotter and hotter in the car. But this time we had the windows rolled down and it was quite pleasant. Though right now I'm bringing stuff into the house and I look like a hitchhiker that really couldn't leave comforts of home well enough alone. Had to bring all of humanity with me, so I don't know. Anyways, just wanted to check in. I'll post up soon. See